Hi, my name is Brittany Flandrick and I'm doing the video prompt mass extinction. The first question says, how does the present rate of extinction compare with the other mass extinction events? The other mass extinction events were environmental, and the present day extinction is human-led instead of environmental. The second question is, what is contributing to the present day species loss? What's contributing to the present day species loss is what we're doing to the environment. So our exploration of the environment, building new buildings, as well as what we're putting into the air and what we're putting into the oceans, such as when we build buildings or build factories, um, all of the exhaust is going into the air, which is causing issues there. And then even the plastic and other types of metals and other types of things we're putting in the ocean. So right now, that is the present day species loss contribution. Thank you.